Now, the way that this is worded, to the nearest tenth, estimate the value of log 5 of 100, makes it think that you should be able to do that without your calculator. The way that it's written right now is not something that they would have on a final exam without a calculator. Instead, we're going to just change the wording of this question a little bit. We're going to just say, between which two whole numbers is log 5 of 100. Because you should be able to, using your powers chart, tell me, is this between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5? Between what two whole numbers is this? To the nearest tenth, for estimating, that would be hard to get exact. Well, looking at your powers chart, what do you know for your powers of 5? Because this is the log base 5. This question is asking 5 to what power is 100? Well, on our powers chart, we know that 5 squared is 25 and 5 cubed is 125. So we know the answer to this has to be somewhere between 2 and 3, based on our powers chart. If we wanted to find out what it is exactly, well, then we have to go to our calculator. And in our calculator, what we saw from before is if your calculator has the log base, you can type in it exactly, log 5 of 100. Push enter and find out that it's 2.86. If your graphing calculator doesn't have the log base, I showed some of you before that you could do log of 100 divided by log of 5, and you get the same answer. We're going to learn this later as the change of base theorem. But for right now, that's just another way you could type it into your calculator to find the value. So between which two whole numbers is log 5 of 100? Well, we could evaluate it using our calculator. Chances are, if this was a multiple choice question, they would ask between which two whole numbers you would find log 5 of 100. And then we just use our powers chart. 13 and 15 for practice.